Was für Hello there, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. Today, I'm going to show you about GDevelop. GDevelop is a software where you can make your own games without coding that much. I mean, you don't have to know any kind of coding language like Python, Java, HTML, and etc. But without knowing these ones, you can make a game in this software. Before starting, to download this app, you have to go to gdevelop.io download page. In this download page, you can also use web app, but I recommend downloading it into your computer. You have to download this desktop app, as I said, like this one. I'm using Windows, so I just click this Windows icon and download it for Windows version. If you're using another, for example, like macOS, Linux, and etc., you can click these icons and download this. So now let's get back to our game. Let me see, which one did I make lately? Okay, I made this Wave Defender game in really short time. Let's click play. Okay, we already opened this one. That's the game which I made in really a short time. I will show what kind of game it is for now, then explain these things one by one. Let's click preview to show you the game. In my game, we have a shotgun and we have this ghost that's spawning like 1 in 3 seconds, I think, in random places. To kill one, you have to hit them 3 times. Okay, these ones are spawn points. The enemies spawn in these points randomly. For example, one spawns here, then they don't spawn again in this point back to back. They go to this place. And to make this happen, let's say you don't have any other scan opening right now. You right click the empty page and select open scan events. Okay, in this page we are coding our game. Not coding like in other programs, but you can see, for example, the timer enemy spawn is 1 second. So they spawn every 1 second. We can make it 5. Also, pick a random spawn point. You can see we put 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. We have 8 spawn points, and this randomly picks a spawn point. And whenever he picks, the program picks a spawn point and spawns an enemy, it starts or resets the timer. So now let's go back and click create a new game, empty project, custom. Let's just make that one again, but not everything, just basics. To add a flow or any kind of asset to your game, you come to scan objects and click add object. After clicking add object, you click sprite. Let's name our sprite flow, import image. Let's see, we have assets here. I already downloaded these assets before. Also, to download any kind of assets, you can just ask AI, as I did. You ask AI, like, where can I find any kind of asset and any kind of free asset? There's also paid assets, but for learning, I prefer using free assets. You can ask AI, and the AI will give you any kind of website for free assets. Let's see, we have room here. Let's click apply. After clicking apply, you can, oh, let's also open grids, grid lines. You come to this toggle edit and click show grid. Let's say we added flow, but we don't see it here. You just hold it and drop it here. You can also like maximize it like this, as I did. Let's click preview. You can see it's a little blurry and not centered. So 1 second. Okay, now we're coming to events page. As I said, if you close it by any chance, any mistake, you right click empty page and click open scan events. Let's click add a new event. Let's also come to our flow. So click edit object variables. Let's come to points. This one is okay. Let's come to edit points. This one is okay too. Okay, we just checked if everything is alright in our flow. You can also edit it in Piscal like this. For example, let's click edit Piscal. We can change color, or you can also edit it right here. Let's try to write something in this page. Crop AI. Let's click save and make it look like, keep it like this. Okay, now let's click apply. And you can see here our writing is here. Now come to events at the condition and right at the beginning of the scan, that means whenever you click play, it is at the beginning of the scan whenever the game starts. Let's click OK. So when the game starts, and come here, right camera, change camera zoom, uh, write it 2, and the layer keeps base layer, and you don't change any kind of camera number. Its default is 0. Also, right center camera on an object, third option, and choose our flow. Click OK. Now let's click preview to see if it's centered. Something's wrong because this. Let's make it centered like this. Okay, preview. Okay, this looks normal. You can also change zoom if you want. Let's try zoom 1.0, 1.5, my bad. Yeah, 2 is alright. Okay, we have our flow. Let's right click and come open scan properties and check our background color. And you can also change the settings from right here. To add any kind of character, you come to scan object and click that plus again, and come to sprite, click import image, take any kind of image for your character. I already have this asset. Let's select 4 and right player. Let's see our preview. Okay, here's our character. You can just hold it and put it right here. To move this character, you come to that player, double click, come behavior, add behavior, and you can see this top-down movement. You add this one, make sure to turn off rotate object, click apply, come to preview, and you can see we can move our character. Yeah, right here. We can move our character in this screen. Also, let's see what can I explain anymore. We can also put animation right here. Let's click animation name, add idle, select one. Also, this one will be idle. Come to right corner, click add animation and make it run. Let's remove this one, add sprite, and add this 3. Delete these ones. Delete section. And change it to 0.18. Let's click preview. Oh, we added all of them are the same. Oh, my bad. Let's click add sprite. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, this has to move normal now. Yeah, I think it works now. So we added an animation. I also explained what kind of things you can adjust in this event page. We will also add any kind of one kind of detailed video about this ones. So that was the tutorial for this GDevelop, and it is really very easy to make any kind of game. For example, you can see tap a plane. Let's close that one, and click preview. This game is made in GDevelop, and you don't have to know how to code. Touch to start typing. Let's close this one. Let's close this one too. Leave. Also come to 3D Lane Runner game. Click preview. Let's click start. You can jump, go left, go right. Avoid this ones. It's really better than any other kind of game coding software because it's really easy and user friendly. Okay, let's close this one too. Close, leave. Okay, in our next webinar, I will make sure to make any kind of game. Like, for example, we can try to make a Flappy Bird, which you saw. It's like this one, but the original one of this game. We will make Flappy Bird in our next webinar. So make sure to watch our next webinar and follow our content. That's it for today's webinar. If you get any kind of question or if you need any kind of help, make sure to message me. I will try my best to help you. See you guys in our next webinars.